So, anywho, let's continue. Where was I? Oh, right. That we were making the easier version. I won't be able to test this project out for now. Also, if you didn't watch the rest of this tutorial series or the rest, I better suggest you please watch it. Even if you have not, welcome. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, please. It'll help me out very lot, and it's free. It isn't like if it costs any money, right? It's right there, and make sure to click the bell right next to you. Ding ding, and it'll ring. Oh yeah, and the bell will just be so good. Oh my. But anyways, also, so once the videos end, in the comments you can tell me your ideas below about what you think, and especially about what new projects you actually want me to do. And yes, I have made a couple of platformer games. And yes, it does seem pretty nice. I have nice platformer games. Have a lot of sprites and a lot. My first games were mostly an alarm of noise and everything, and about animation solely. And trust me, they were loud. Very loud. Like, even if I had some headphones on, you would still hear it. Anywho, this will be pretty nice. You will like it. What? I brought the mouse down one? Oh no, I'm not gonna do the mouse down. I'm not controlling with the mouse. Oh no. With up arrow. Just do the same for the down arrow. By -4. And for the up arrow to stabilize it by 4. Now, if I'm going too fast, what should you do? Pause the video, okay? Or even slow it down, okay? Because we all know that in coding you might get stuck on some parts. Nobody is perfect, even me. Nobody in this entire world is perfect. We all make mistakes. We all need our own time to finish stuff. But, of course, we have basically the main building blocks of the game. We have the main building blocks of the game. Okay? Of course, I won't be able to test it because right now I'm using a mobile device. I'm probably planning to maybe make a tutorial on how to make a, those things that, a joystick or something. But, oh well. I'll probably make it for the next tutorial. I don't know. Anywho. Let's continue. This part is actually gonna be pretty nice. I'm gonna actually speedrun. Speedrunning, I know, kinda like cheating. But hey, it doesn't count if you when you're actually trying to make the game. It's only when you're playing the game. And let's do this. Anywho, when touching this color, just kidding. Only No, make sure not to get the max, please. And let's continue with Maxi here. Actually, and they'll do something. Switch backdrop to dun 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 dun. You're a nightmare. And it'll be the worst nightmare. But first, before the nightmare of the mazes, which actually only the best maze experts could beat, you'll have to go through the harder mazes. And I have made a version of this game once. I have. It's called, I think it was about the same cat trying to save a whole bunch of kitties. It does have other features, more of these, but this one is about saving the keystones. Come on, go to this position. Oh, and also switch backdrop too. Not this backdrop, but maze hard. Yep. Let's do it. Speed running. Teleport the cat. It officially worked. And trust me, there's no way you could escape. You're trapped forever and ever. Yes. Now we just need to go through this. And if somehow. Oh wait, no, not maze hard. It's maze only. It's just called maze. Beep. It's this one. Sorry. I know. Now that I have the smaller cat version, let's speed run. 20 hours later. I knew it. I should have speed runned. And anywho, we're moving over here. Now we go over here. Come on, you little cat. Why, you little. Don't. Anywho, why won't this cat move? You cat must be moved. Teleported. Now we have him in the next keystone. And trust me, per each keystone you get, or per each key item you get, you do get something. And I wanted to make this project ever since the channel started. Actually, it was gonna be one of the first videos, but nope. Later we'll also probably make the death screen when you lose. But before that, when this maze, then yes, I'm officially in the maze. But I'm not from nowhere there. So what should I do? Of course, go to the position. For the blue, for the green keystone. Just checking if I did everything correct. And for this, show Max. There he is. You can barely see him. Phew. To start at this position. Seems reasonable enough. And of course, in all of these you need to have show. Because if you somehow make a little mistake but still pass through them, yeah. Actually, the show should be in the middle, actually. In the middle of the sequences. And there. The switching of backdrop should be always last, because when you switch a backdrop and it hasn't went into the exact position, yeah, the game will just detect it. You just lost. Right now, this cat doesn't want me to speed run. Let me just teleport you. You must be pushed all around. And if you somehow try this, yeah, don't. And per each maze, it honestly gets quite harder. Let me grab you, little cat. I think we're reaching the finals of the mazes. Just restart. After the last maze, you get into the final maze. Maze hard. Yep, you are going to the maze of the hardness. Oh no, for this maze. Let's skip. Hopefully, we can survive into the harder mazes. Phew! Made it, and this doesn't have no effect on this right now. But I think the light blue might be messing it. Or what maze is sending it to this maze? Let's see. After this maze, what maze is this? Seems that it was just a game glitch. I think I fixed it. I don't know how I did that. It seems it worked. Hopefully. Come on, you little cat. You must be pushed around forever. And for the blue maze. Of touching color blue. Then you have totally defeated this. For the maze hard, switch backdrop to maze hard. And finally, this will be the hardest part. After that, it'll do this, but also it'll do if touching. Not this blue color, but exactly a very more recognizable blue color. Straight into the bullseye color. And there it goes. Now hopefully we shall speed run through this. Nice. The final maze, come on! This worked. Uh-oh, there's a way to kind of cheat through this. It's the hard maze. Well, I cannot have any cheaters around me. No cheater can get nearby my attacks. No one will dare to pass through, will they? And you might say, Well, this maze is quite simple. You just need like pass through over here, over in here. But you would be wrong because you could get another path, but it's blocked. And even if you somehow would, it's blocked again. And if you went through this path, it's blocked. So the only way you could is then after this, take the staircase very carefully, and then go over here, and then right. Might seem quite easier than the others, but it's quite the opposite. Why is it? Why is it so much harder? Well, it is for one single reason. Yeah, a single reason. Only. Let's transform this number. Instead of 122, I don't need 122 anymore. We need 1, 6. I said 1, 6, 9. There, and finally a show at the very bottom for this case. Actually, in the middle. Let's see. Oh, come on, save now. Finally. Now we're passing through some of the hardest mazes parts. And honestly, you'll agree, this is a hard maze, honestly. And we need to try to grab this cat, and then the hardest part is you need to then grab it again and smush it in there. And once we do this, it's time to sit back and relax. Oh yes, if backdrop. Oh yes, this duplicated version for now, no. I'm gonna use this one. When backdrop switches to backdrop, let's see which is in the final maze. To maze hard. Yep. You'll be surprised to what will happen. You have to reset all your work that had been done. You'll think it'll be a glitch, but it never will be. Square cat 4. Beep. That's the wrong guy. This guy. Beep. Nope. Beep. Fine. That's the dangerous one. 5. No, that's the losing one. See the else be. Which cat is it? Button 5. Switch to button 5B. Okay. Yep. So you will be confused at first. What just happened? But hopefully you should be able to win with the X. And you might be stuck for the X forever. Or you could also just transform back to your own normal self. Either way is good. And of course, don't press space or you'll be cooked forever. Switch costume to the worst costume you've ever seen. Square cat 5. 2. Yep, this fat cat. And to show you, he gets fat when you do that, and you'll instantly lose. No matter what place you are or anywhere you are. And when backdrop, finally, for the last part, when and I need absolutely change this to the final mazes. This is quite hard to do. Finally, we just drag this. Come on, we're gonna get it in there. When touching color this, broadcast something. This is the only broadcast we're gonna use. It's called message 1. And finally, when I receive message 1, we'll only have to do this forever. There. Oh yes, before it goes into that, if touching that color, switch, and I need to create a new background. It must be like something with nothing black, like this one. And finally, switch to the next backdrop, please. Switch backdrop to Antarctic. Broadcast message 1. Then we're gonna quite need it because then something will happen. Go to this position. Not this position, I want 1, 3. Okay, minus 1, 3, 2, and 1, 0, 4. Nope. It is minus 1, 2, 1. Let's see this. And also to switch to city. Wait 2 seconds. Switch to city bus B. Now wait. Yeah, that was our earlier recording of before I created. Anywho, switch costume to city bus B. This is the largest costume you can earn in the entire game. Oh yes. Come on. Let's broadcast a message. Finally. Maybe this song. Let's see. Maybe not that. Maybe let's try these 2 songs. Let's see. Car. Let's see. These 2 songs. Yep. I think that's quite this noise. Then also, wait 4 seconds after that, move 240 steps. actually glide. Only, yeah, to move 10 steps 24 times. And also to take 1 second. And then, wait 1 second. And also touching this. Finally, you have all been waiting for it. Switch, cast backdrop 2. Let's see, where is it? Hopefully I still have this backdrop. Restart this backdrop maybe? Yep, you lose. We just put this backdrop over here also. And there. And we basically have it done. I'm gonna call it, because the name of the cat, I'm gonna call it Max. Just a sec. Max, get the keystones. Good. We'll just share this project. Nope. Didn't this start perfectly? Awesome, so why isn't it switching to Made Simple? Finally. How's for the entry of Made Simple? When you turn to Made Simple, what happens? Let's see, Made Simple. Okay, it's over here, Max. Let's show Max in his normal position. Oh, of course. He needs to also start in his perfectly safe position. Literally. And now we just need to remove this without clicking it and add a new one. Just because of one little problem. Let's see. Oh! It was just because of that one little problem. Having typos is really dangerous while you're making games. Good. New cat. Max. And yes. We have finished the entire thing. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yes, to write the X. Let's see. Great. Anywho, let's see. X. Oh well. It's hard. thumbnail. And the greatest thing you can do to your projects is add them to Studios. If you don't add them to Studios, trust me. And tell me your ideas about what we have done in the comments below. And about basically everything, please. Bye.